Episode 5, guys. Back at it again. How to flip houses from start to finish for beginners. Check us out, man. This is for beginners or pros, whoever. Look, we're going to go back in the house today. Show you guys, we told you guys we had a roofing job coming up. Show you guys what that looks like real quick. Take you guys in the house. Show you guys some plumbing we got done. Super excited to show you guys the progress. Every day it's another step ahead. Every day we're moving forward. Look, we got the guys up there on the roof. Don't know if you can see them, but we're getting ready to rip that side off. Show you guys. What we look like. Boom, guys, there you have it. Moving forward day by day. Getting the roof taken care of. Told you guys we was gonna knock it out. We'll have it done by the end of the day. Rolling, one thing at a time. We got this side done now. It's still early. We'll knock out the other side a little later. Bring you guys inside of here. Show you guys what we got done. We got the electrician in here, knocking out some electrical work. Moving forward. Told you guys we're gonna get these can lights up in here. Boom, there you go. There's the boxes he's putting in. We should have that up and running by the end of the day. We'll be moving forward and looking good. Look, guys, I'm gonna show you guys the plumbing over here, over in the bathroom. We got some pecs over there and that. Got it rolling. Showed you guys we got the tile up. We're gonna tile this backsplash to this cabinet here. Let me show you guys the plumbing we're putting in, getting all that up. See, guys, most guys, they would tell you guys, look, we can't do anything with the tile until we get all the plumbing done first. Look, man, we got half the wall done, and we just ain't gonna touch the plumbing wall. Look, you guys got to know how to move forward, man. Don't listen to everybody, because you'll never get nothing done in this world if you don't move on and move forward and move on. Sometimes you'll step on somebody's toes here and there in construction, but hey, keep moving. Look, it's better than doing nothing. I mean, don't get me wrong. We're not going to do the plumbing wall to where we're going to have to knock all the tile back out when we get done. Don't be stupid. But we're going to get as much done as we can get done to keep moving. We're not going to stop or show for any. Time is money in this game. You got to be quick. You got to be fast. You got to have quality work or nobody's going to buy the property. You got to think of all these things. That's why we've been doing this shit for years. You gotta weigh the two out and understand both of them, okay? Look, guys, today also we're gonna talk a little bit about financing the property through other partners, leveraging your partners. You know, it's pretty simple. You gotta go to these real estate meetups. You gotta meet other real estate investors. Something that I'm not that good at, but it's something you guys should be doing, because if you meet the other investors, that'll give you a good shot in the arm, if you will, on being able to get started in this business, because they're looking for properties all the time. And if you got properties you can sell, they're looking to buy. Okay? And sometimes they got properties they're looking to sell. And if you're looking to buy, boom, you got something. Maybe you guys can partner up, you guys can make things work, make things happen. But you always got to be thinking outside the box. This isn't like going to school. You know, you're getting graded every day, and if you get an F, you lose. Listen, failure is an option. You know, we can, and we fail all the time, by the way. But guess what we do? We restart again. That's all we do is restart, go again. Man, we got the guys out here on the roof knocking things out, man. One thing at a time. You just got to be a powerhouse in this game. And that's what we're going to do, is just keep moving along every day. Just wanted to show you guys a little bit of progress today. Keep you guys motivated and let you know, you can do it too. It can be done. Look, we were supposed to be having this closet knocked out, but we had to move everybody. We're going to get the 2x4s and start putting that closet up right there that we talked about last week, but we had to move everybody outside to start getting that roof taken care of, because we're in Michigan and it's getting cold out, so we got to get all our outside work done before it starts snowing out. Pretty soon, we won't have any option to be outside no more, okay? So you got to make sure you keep everybody outside until we get it done, you know? And hopefully the weather can cooperate with us long enough. I'm gonna take you guys down to the basement, show you guys some progress we got down there, some other things that we were planning on doing down there as well. Let me take you guys down here. Now what we plan on doing down here is we're gonna put up some, there's some panel lights upstairs that are pretty long and pretty nice, that are kind of flat panel. They don't hang down too low. And even though we got a high ceiling here, but that's what we're gonna put in 1, 2, 3 locations. And then here on the floor, we're gonna carpet this floor, put padding down and carpet it. So it feels more like, we're gonna shut that off, that room right there, shut that off completely, paint it, shut it off. Then down here, we're gonna do flooring, we're gonna do a carpet rather, padding. We're probably gonna keep this light up right here so somebody can have like maybe a pool table or something right here. Kind of hangs a little bit lower right there. And then other than that, man, matter of fact, you know, I'm gonna, and then all this electrical here, we're gonna keep we're gonna keep this bar and all this, clean up this top, put a new top on it probably. And we're gonna take that sink out and make that a garbage disposal right there probably, because it doesn't really need to be a wet bar like that. And the plumbing over there is not it's gonna be too much work to mess with it at the end of the day, okay? So what we're gonna do is just probably keep that, make it a hole and make it a trash can. We're gonna put up some new lights up here. So when you come down, boom, you got your bar, put some dark bar stools right here, you know? And this is how we're gonna make the house, you know, more usable, if you will. I'll show you guys what I haven't showed you guys was the furnace, hot water heater stuff back here, but it's in good shape. I mean, it's nice. I mean, there's nothing I'm gonna do with it. There's nothing here to do with it, but use it. It's all nice in good condition and working and everything else. You know, maybe some guys would come in and rip this hole out of here. Oh man, it's 15 years old. Still working well, but it's gotta go. You know, I don't listen to these bozos, man. Listen, I'm making money. You gotta know what you're doing to make money in this game. You lose 10 grand, that's 10 grand. Some of these guys are actually losing money on flips, man. You guys gotta think about this. Don't be one of them guys out here thinking you know everything and you're out here losing money. We've never lost money on a flip property, not once. So, you gotta know who you're listening to, you know? You gotta know somebody that's actually doing it, actually got the experience in this, okay? Stay locked in, guys. Make sure you guys subscribe, comment, watch the other videos so you can actually see the step-by-step process of what's going on here, okay? Next time, on our next video, we'll probably go over to the other property and show you the finished product house that's right next door. I'll walk over there, show you guys that, and we'll come back over here and kind of show more progress. But just wanted to, you know, bring you guys in. We'll go over numbers and stuff later on too. It's gonna be a long process, guys. We got a lot to talk about, a lot to do. So we can't do it all in one day, but I just want to keep giving you updates so you can see the pieces of it going. You know, you could be a part of it and kind of see what's going on. And I appreciate y'all tapping in, sticking around, commenting, watching my other videos. I see you out there. You know what I'm saying? I'm looking for my top fan out there still. So make sure y'all tap in, subscribe, be loyal, and stay down. Talk to me later.